Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope you all doing good. Guess where we are tonight? Tonight we're in my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. And guess again what we're gonna do? We're gonna do fruit wrap. Okay, and this is the recipe. All we need is one tortilla, banana, orange, and strawberries. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, what we need to do is we need to wash it. That's very, very recommended to wash it. Okay? Even the banana today, we're gonna wash it. Okay, rinse as much as you can. Okay, drain the water. When you drain it, one more thing I would like to remind parents or anyone who's looking after any kids or anything. I'm going to use a knife. Whenever you want to use a knife, you need to someone to supervise. Okay, that's very, very important. Let's get started. Get the banana, chop the front a bit, the back. Get the other banana. Gonna peel the orange.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's go and chop it now. And in this session, I'm going to use a knife. And if you're young, you want trying to use do the same thing, make sure you get someone to supervise you, an adult to supervise you. Okay. All right, then let's get the tortilla. In this time, we're going to use tortilla whole meal. Okay. And you can have another choice. There's another blue one, you can buy it. It's exactly the same. Okay. Let's go one tortilla, put on top of the plate. Okay. Get the banana and chop it.
Okay, and this one, I'm gonna make it like this. It'll be easier to wrap. Okay. Banana. The banana. Chop, 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 chop.
I'm gonna lay the bananas the bottom first. Okay. And get the strawberry, chop into two.
Into two. Okay. Two. Chop. Chop. Okay. Make it look nice. You can see it's getting the shape. Looks delicious. I can't wait. I don't know you. Okay. A bit more.
Let's do the orange.
Okay, and it's ready. This one.
Wow. Look. It looks fantastic. Delicious. Okay. And it's time to wrap. Okay, you just roll it. Okay, roll it. And roll again. And then close at the bottom here. As soon as you close it. Okay. That's it. The wrap is ready to have it. Okay. Wow, looks delicious. So my tortilla fruit wrap is ready. I'm gonna have a go and test. If you cannot resist, make sure you go look away. It's nice. I'm really recommending you. It's time to go and healthy. Tortilla wrap. Recipe is easy. Make sure you like and subscribe and give a big thumbs up, and you know where to hit. Subscribe button is it on the left or on the right, you decide.